How to record internal audio on Mac. Open OBS Studio. It is free to download. You can easily download it in your MacBook. Here you can see Mac operating system screen capture. If it is not showing here, you can add it from there and click on Mac operating system screen capture. After that, here you can see start recording. Click it here. It will record your screen and internal audio. After that, click on stop recording. Now you can easily convert this screen recording into audio file. Here you can see encode selected video file. Here you can see settings and then click on audio only. Click on continue. Here you can see this video file with internal audio has now converted into audio only. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.